In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all events in Google Calendar. Whether you're looking to start fresh or maybe looking to clear out past events to get more organized, this process is straightforward and effective. First things first, you'll need to open Google Calendar on your computer. It's generally recommended to do this through a desktop because the interface provides a full range of tools which makes managing your calendar easier. Once you're there, take a glance at the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of all your calendars. Find the particular calendar whose events you want to delete and give it a click. This is an important part of the process because it ensures you are focusing on the correct calendar, especially if you manage multiple ones. With that calendar selected, the next thing to do is to locate the three vertical dots. These are positioned to the right of the calendar's name. Clicking these will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings and Sharing. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you'll manage various settings for your chosen calendar. Now, as you scroll down through the settings, you'll eventually reach an area dedicated to the removal of your calendar. It's here that you'll find the Remove Calendar option. Selecting this will present an option to delete. Clicking this delete option will erase all events from the calendar, giving you a clean slate. If at any point you realize you don't want to clear absolutely everything, or maybe you have a couple of important events you'd prefer to keep, there's an alternative. Instead of deleting everything, you can go back to your calendar view and select individual events. Once an event is clicked on, simply press the delete button and it will be removed from your calendar. This approach allows for a more detailed cleanse as it gives you the choice to pick and choose which events stay and which ones go. After you've clicked to delete all the events, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. This step is crucial as it ensures that no accidental deletions occur. Confirm the deletion, and with that, your calendar will be completely empty. There you have it. Now you've successfully cleared your Google Calendar. Most of these steps are fairly intuitive, but it's always good to be careful when removing data like this, just in case you delete something you may need in the future. So that's how you can delete all events in Google Calendar. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful as you work to declutter and better manage your schedule.